Guys, I am just sick and tired of always having to hack everything when it comes to these Chinese ATVs. But what can I do? The thing is 18 years old, it's long paid for, it only has 10 hours on the engine. I gotta try to do something to fix it. All I wanted to do is get the headlights to work. So I purchased a whole new switch because the headlight switch wasn't working on the old one, but the ignition switch worked. So I put that new switch on here, and then I get lights that work, but no ignition. So I came up with a hack to take care of this, and I want to show it to you. Look at this. So I said, what the hell? I'll just go ahead and use basic electronics and just wire me a light in. So what I did basically was just run some wire from the negative and positive leads to the battery. I'll hide this wire later, but this is the wire coming up to the front. I bought, well, I didn't buy it, I already had it. This is a regular old, just a basic headlight switch. So what I did was open the front up, and it's kind of a mess, but it'll be nice and pretty when it's closed up. Basically, this is a wiring going to the headlights right here. I just tapped in from the battery, negative, positive. Now, mind you, it's only going to give me low beams, but I don't care. Just as long as I got some kind of light so I could drive in the dark out back, man, and have some fun. It's supposed to be about fun. So, pretty simple. Just, it looks like a rat's nest, but it's not that bad. Positive from the battery, negative from the battery. This is the switch right here. This orange and green wires going to the switch. It's just in line with the positive. And I went ahead and fused it here, just in case. But hey, it works for me. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. I hate it because I would like for things to work the right way, but sometimes in life, things don't work the damn right way. So what do, man? So let me show you how it works. Basically, let me go ahead and just flip this down. I'm gonna come around here and hit my little switch. I know it's a hell of a lot of switches on here, but just hit the switch. And there you go. Come around here, and there's my headlights. Look at that. Now you notice one of them is dim. There's a loose connection, and someone, if I tap it, it goes bright. I tell you, man, this Chinese stuff is crazy. But yeah, it's just a quick little hack with get the lights working and stuff. If you just can't go through the regular ATV one, I tried everything. I tried to trace the voltage down coming from the switch going to the actual battery and all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. The original ATV wiring is not right. There's something wrong. The wiring diagram that I have doesn't go along with everything. But anyway, this is it. Hopefully it can help you guys if you have this problem. Just kind of do things the simple way. And hey, just keep it moving. That's all I ever done. If you like this content, please feel free to subscribe and follow. There'll be many, many more videos on me in this ATV, which used to belong to my youngest son, but now in my later stage of life, I'm resurrecting it. Bye, guys.